this is your last chance to send me fan mail to my P.O. Box. Here's the address. The P.O. Box is going to be closing soon because I'm going to college, and if you want to send me a fan letter, fan package, anything that involves fans, maybe even an actual fan, it would make my life about 115% better. But I was just on vacation at the shore, and while I was there, I got a million things out of the claw machines, and not actually a million, but I got a lot. So let's go through them one by one. Well, for starters, my dad kind of won this one. It's Jurassic World dinosaur. You can tell by the JW, that means it's official. So it's a little unnamed dinosaur. I just think he's the cutest thing in the world. My dad got one. Thanks, Dad. I'm so obsessed with Pokemon Go. I spent a quarter on this one. I got it right away out of a claw machine. I figured, you know, if you're gonna play Pokemon Go, you might as well catch them in real life. So I got a Bulbasaur, a Charmander, and of course the Pika Peaks himself, the moneymaker. Now, the Squirtle was taken from me by an old lady. Thanks, old lady, you're crusty. But I did get one of these, which I've wanted for a long time, a Loki. They cost a ton of money, like 18 bucks or something crazy, because it's got a water from Mount Everest and mud from the Dead Sea to represent your highs and your lows. I got one of these with 1 quarter. I thought they weren't going to pick them up, but they must have forgot to hack the machines or something, so that's cool. And then another awesome thing I got was 4 of these Pusheen blind boxes. I actually wanted to buy one of these because I really like Pusheen. Yeah, I know, I must be a teenage girl or something, but I really think it's a cool looking little cat. So this is the box. I got 4 of them. And that's the possible ones you could get. It's snack time, so we're gonna open it up. It comes in this delectable foil bag, so you can't open the box and cheat in the store. So this is the one we got, a cute little cat in a mug. I don't know what snack that represents, but you know, cats in a mug. That's a delicious snack. So let's see what the other 3 were. We got one that's been surrounded by a donut. It's been a naughty cat, and it's been trapped in a donut. This one's really freaking cute. Really adorable. We got one that accidentally sat in a taco. A taco, so that's nice of him. Thanks for sitting in my my lunch. But no, that's really cute too. And we got one that's sitting on a freaking hamburger. Now, ain't that precious? These are usually like $10 each, and I spent $1 getting all 4 of these, so that's fantastic. Thank you so much, Claw Machines at Wildwood. And we also got 2 Webkins and a Secret Life of Pets pug stuffed animal. We got all that with about $10. That stuff's not here right now. Someone took it from me. They stole it. Well, that's really all I have to say right now. Just a little update of what's been going on in my life, how good I am at claw games, and if you should send me fan mail. Thanks so much for watching. I'm the Stack Daddy, Brian Stacker. Stackosity just came to you live. As always, I love you guys. And before I forget, make sure you subscribe to my new channel, Aggressively Average. I'm going to start making videos for that soon, once I figure out what kind of videos to make for that channel. You guys tell me if you have any ideas what videos I should make for Aggressively Average, because I want to do a channel where I just do one type of video and focus on that type. So, you know, comment down below, do all that cool stuff. Love you guys.